Article 300 of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, covers wiring methods. Section 300.15, Use is permitted. Paragraph A, General, states that conductors and equipment listed in this chapter or otherwise acceptable to the authority having jurisdiction shall be used in an approved manner. There is an exception. Conductors of different systems acceptable for the purpose shall be permitted together with separated by insulation, guard strips, or other approved means. Paragraph B, Specific applications, says conductors and equipment installed for specific purposes shall comply with requirements of this chapter and articles and sections noted in 1 through 13. Item 12 discusses signal systems. In addition to the other articles in this chapter, signal systems shall also comply with the requirements of Article 725. See the definition of a signal system in Article 100. Article 725 addresses Class 1, Class 2, and Class 3 remote control, signaling, and power limiting circuits. Section 725.1 Scope, Paragraph A, General, states that this article covers remote control, signaling, and power limiting circuits that are not part of a supervised burglar alarm system or fire alarm system. Paragraph B, Voltage and power limitations, specifies the voltage between conductors shall not exceed 150 volts, and the current in the signal circuit shall not exceed the values given in Table 725.31a. Where power is supplied by transformer action, the open circuit voltage shall not exceed 150 volts. Section 725.4 Conductors states conductors used for signaling circuits in raceways shall be at least the equivalent of a number 18 American wire gauge or AUG conductor with 1/32 inch, which is 0.81 millimeters, rubber insulation or equivalent. Section 725.5 Non-metallic extensions details that non-metallic sheath cable types NMC, NM, NMS off use SE and so shall be permitted for extensions from signaling circuits within buildings where not subject to physical damage and without splice or transition between the signaling circuits and the non-metallic extensions. Non-metallic sheath cable shall be installed as specified in Article 336. Section 725.6 Open runs states open runs of cable shall be supported at intervals not to exceed 4.5 feet, which is 1372 millimeters. Black conductor cable shall be firmly fastened in place. Open runs of wire shall be securely stapled, tied, or otherwise fastened in place. Cable or wires shall not be installed in elevator shafts, dumbwaiter shafts, or similar vertical runs unless encased in approved raceways. Section 725.12 Cable tray installation specifies the cable tray system shall not be used as a grounding conductor. Where a cable tray system is used as a support system for Class 1, Class 2, and / or Class 3 circuits, the cables shall be installed in accordance with the applicable requirements of this article and Articles 300, 318, 330, 334, and 336. Section 725.13 Flexible cords and cables says flexible cords and cables shall be permitted for connection of equipment to raceways and for connections within equipment. Flexible cord and cable shall be of a type approved for hard usage if subject to physical damage. The length of any flexible cord or cable shall not exceed 6 feet, which is 1829 millimeters. Where flexible cord or cable is used for connection to a raceway, the cord or cable shall be fastened to the raceway in such a manner that strain relief is provided. Section 725.14 Unlisted cables specifies cables of 2 or more conductors, each individually insulated and enclosed in an overall non-metallic jacket, which were manufactured and installed prior to the effective date of the 1984 National Electrical Code, shall be permitted for use in accordance with the provisions of this article.